Hello student, you are going to learn a new chapter of class 12 which is chapter 2 known as electric potential and capacitance. In this chapter, the very first topic is electric potential difference. Electric potential difference can be understood by taking a source charge Q. Let's take a source charge Q and draw the line. In this line we have a point here B, a point here A. This is the point O. This is said to be RB. This is said to be RA. Here note down RA is greater than RB. So potential at point B is VB, which is equals to K Q upon RB, and potential at A is VA, which is equals to KQ by RA. Let us take Q naught charge at A and move towards B. Then the work done per unit test charge from moving from A to B is said to be potential difference. This means that potential difference delta V equals to VB minus VA, which is equals to work done in moving the charge from A to B upon Q naught. So potential difference is a scalar quantity. Potential difference is a scalar quantity defined as work done per unit test charge in moving the charge in the field of another charge, which is source charge. And so potential difference is a scalar quantity defined as work done per unit test charge in moving the charge in the field of another charge known as source charge. This means that Q is said to be source charge and small q naught is said to be test charge. Test charge may be of two types. One is said to be positive test charge, another is said to be negative test charge. Now here you have two cases to be understood. When the value of potential will be greater and when the value of potential will be negative, potential difference, it depends upon the source charge. Say this is case 1. In this case 1, capital Q, source charge is greater than 0, that is positive. So delta V equals to VB minus VA. This means that this is KQ upon RB minus KQ upon RA. Since RA is greater than RB, RA is greater than RB, so this means that this quantity is less than this quantity. So when you solve it, the answer comes to be positive. So delta V is positive in this situation when Q is greater than 0. Case number 2, Q is less than 0, that is negative. Then delta V is again VB minus VA, which is equals to KQ by RB minus KQ by RA. Now in this situation, this RA is greater than RB. So the answer come to be negative. This is negative because again RA is greater than RB. So when RA is greater than RB, then this RB sign solving after this is less, and then this is less value, this is greater value. So when we solve it, you get the negative answer. So here you are getting positive value, here you are getting negative value. Let us understand a numerical based on this. For understanding a numerical, we are taking a source, I am giving a question. Let here this is B, this is A, and let a charge Q is moving from A to B, Q naught, and Q naught value is 3 coulomb. Let potential at VB, which you have to find, and potential at A is VA, which is minus 2 volt, and work done in moving the charge from A to B is equals to 18 joule. Then the question is, what is the value of VB? So we have the formula delta V equals to VB minus BA, which is equals to W A to B upon Q naught. Substitutes the value. VB we don't know, VA is minus 2 volt, right here minus 2, and WAB work is 18 joule, and charge Q naught is 3 coulomb, put here 3, divide it, it come to be 6, minus minus plus 2, this is VB. So VB is equals to 6 minus 2, which is equals to 4 volt. Thus you have learned what is potential difference. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.